Hi guys. Warning. This video may contain information that may be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, activate notifications to not miss any opportunity to know, like and share. See you soon. Hi guys. Let's start with DUBLI. DUBLI is a global marketing company in which customers can buy online and receive cash back on their purchases. As an affiliate, and sharing its DUBLI website, and when a purchase is made, DUBLI pays you a commission. DUBLI.com and DUBLINetwork.com. You have the choice between taking advantage of online shopping and receiving cash back on your purchases, or you can do so in addition to becoming an affiliate of the DUBLI network. To know more, the DUBLI Network Compensation Plan. registration packages. 1. Business Package. For a one-time fee of $49.50 plus an annual license renewal fee of $39, you will receive a 20 to 30% refund commission on all customers registered by your link, as well as on all the customers they refer to. You will have your own back-office DUBLI network with marketing materials, educational tools, etc. to recruit VAs and earn organizational commissions. You need to upgrade to a higher level. The product, DUBLI.com, offers a wide range of shopping and online travel to its customers and pays an incredible 25% commission to business associates and 5% to 27.5% incredible organizational costs. 2. The Team Package, trademark, is $594, which will allow you to recruit additional BAs and earn other commissions. The Trademark Package is a VIP lounge membership package that includes 12 vouchers, 11 plus 1 free, VIP membership, valued at $594. As a BA DUBLI network, you will earn a commission on all of the following: purchases from your customers, travel reservations, purchases of customer subscription packages, premium and VIP. 3. Partnership Program Accelerator Package, PPA. This package contains a variety of tools to get you started in creating your DUBLI network business from scratch. For a fee of $2,475, you get the following: -60 free membership vouchers at 1-year VIP lounge, $2,970 value. Business Package, free, value of $49.50. Access to BSP Rewards Training Course, free, $999 value. Access to DUBLI.com customer landing pages, free, value of $399, year. -50% discount on partner program vouchers. -10% organizing committee. There are 8 ways to win in the DUBLI network, as follows. It all depends on you. The more you pay for starter packs with different levels of membership, the greater the return on your investment, with more time and effort spent marketing and promoting your product. Is DUBLI network a scam? No, because people are making money with this business. You can register for the DUBLI product, buy online and make money on what you buy. You can try it for free. After trying it, you may be able to consider upgrading to the commercial side. Just keep in mind that more and more people are buying online daily. Thousands of people have become members of DUBLI or DUBLI network. Personally, I love DUBLI and the commercial opportunity of DUBLI network fascinates me. Sign up for free on DUBLI and start today to buy and get real cash discounts on your online purchases. As a DUBLI member, you will receive a return on what DUBLI receives in the form of commissions. Join DUBLI and get money by buying from over 12,000 well-known brands and online stores, over 1 billion products, including Apple Store, Macy's, Target, Amazon, Alibaba, Hotels.com, Booking.com, and everything you are looking for online. Learn more about the DUBLI compensation plan. www.dublinwork.com. MLMs offer an alternative means of income in the world. Is this opportunity legitimate? Founder, Michael Hansen founded DUBLI Network in 2003. What is the DUBLI Network? DUBLI Network offers online shopping, entertainment and travel packages. The website is available in 15 languages. This includes downloading games or other software, booking hotels or flights. DUBLI offers its DUBLI debit card, a smartphone application, a cashback toolbar payment center. For each purchase, you will have a refund within 45 days of your purchase or reservation. You must make your purchases via DUBLI Network. As a VIP member, you receive 6% plus discounts. Entertainment. You do not pay in downloads and flows, you pay in membership fees. Compensation plan. Team member must register 3 clients. Team leader must register 5 clients and 3 BAs who become members of the team. team coordinator must register 10 clients and 3 team leaders. Sales director must register 20 clients and 3 team coordinators. Vice president must register 30 clients and 5 sales managers and 5 different sales teams. So, it is possible to earn a lot of money. That's all for today. See you in another video.